Welcome to the unboxing video for the Jeep Fix Kit, which ships around the world 5 days a week. So if your order's in by 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will get this out to you same day. And shipping will be dependent on what you decide when you check out. All right, speaking of checking out, let's check out what's inside this box. And it's a very minimal kit and design. Everything is contained right here on this spool. There's nothing else inside this box. All right, so let's start out with tools inside. Tools inside of where? Well, inside of this little hatch. We found a nice handy spot to house the tools that you will be using for your installation, which is mostly prep, some cutting, alcohol to prepare the surface for the gasket installation, and then some gel glue, which you'll be using very sparingly on the installation. And that is because the gasket material has a double-sided adhesive liner that'll bond to your vehicle. Next, let's move on to this QR code down here. This is the QR code for the review section. Like many of you, you've probably read all of the outstanding reviews that we have on our website, and other Jeepers just like you went right here and left their honest opinion and their experience, and that helps out a lot when people are considering whether or not they want to tackle a project like this, which, by the way, is super simple. So if you're not familiar with a QR code, I just want to go through this really quickly. You'll open the photo section of your phone, and then you will just hold, happen very quickly, your phone up to the QR code. This link will appear. You're just going to press it, and then you're going to press here. It says start typing the product name. Well, don't worry about the product name because it's all pre-loaded there for you. So if you had the four-door JK Jeep kit, Jeep Leak Fix Kit, you can press that, write a review, and then just a very simple review will be appreciated. You go ahead and leave your honest feedback, and that lets other people know, including us, how we're doing with this product. All right, simple enough, right? Cool. So now let's move on to the center of this core here, and that is the star of the show, which is the Jeep Leak Fix Kit that was produced here in the United States, manufactured, produced, and shipped here out of the United States. And like I mentioned earlier, there is a double-sided adhesive liner that will be sticking to the body side of your vehicle. This adhesive is super strong. As soon as it grabs to your vehicle, it is not coming off. And to expose that, you just remove this liner. And then as you'll see in the video, you stick this where I do, and you'll be all set. Moving to the other side of the reel, so that's this side. Moving to the next side here. Like I said, this is made here in the United States, designed, manufactured, and ships right here out of the good old USA. So we're super proud about that. On the right-hand side here is your material cut list, and as I advise, just cut all the material before starting. This will make your installation process a lot simpler. So this way you have everything laid out and you know what's what, and when it's time to go for it, it's ready to go for you guys there. All right, left hand side here is those super easy instructions that I was mentioning earlier. Same thing, you're going to uh, open the camera app on your phone, and then you will simply hold the phone up to the QR code here, and then it'll open a link. You'll press it, and that'll lead you to me, where I'll guide you step by step from a first person perspective, which is something new that I'm doing here, letting you see through my eyes essentially what it is that I see as I'm installing the product. So this way, there's no questions or confusion. You see what I see, you do what I do, and you'll be getting positive results out of that. And then last but certainly not least, I would say this is probably most important, questions. If you have any, 7 days a week, you guys give me a call. Any day ending in Y. So that's Monday through Sunday. From 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am available to take your calls directly. And I found that this works best, especially when someone's in their garage or driveway, and perhaps the video looks one way, but your Jeep looks a little differently. Well, I make myself available to you immediately, so that this way we can get your questions answered, and then you can move on with the installation. So there you have it, guys. That's everything you can expect to receive in your Jeep Leak Fix Kit. It is all contained on this spool right here. And like I said, I'm available 7 days a week to answer any questions that you might have. And a review would be very helpful for other Jeepers just like you. So we encourage that you leave one. All right, guys, that's everything you can receive. You got any questions? You know where to find me.